Welcome to IconCMO. This is a quick video on getting to know the basics of CMO and where to find information. To log on to CMO, go to www.iconcmo.com. To bookmark this page, if you're using Chrome, simply click on the star and enter where you'd like the information to be saved. Click on the Login button at the top right. If you've forgotten your password, simply click on the Forgot Password button. This will email you a link to reset your password. If the church wants to set up automatic payments for CMO or pay their invoice, click on Go to the Account Manager. We can provide you the account username and password. To log in, type the church's phone number, enter the username and password, and click Login. Once you're logged in, CMO's home screen page should be displayed. The home screen is listed under the module Organization. The system is divided into 11 different modules: Organization, People, Contributions, General Ledger, AR, AP, Payroll, System, Web Services, and Child Check-in. When you open a module, there are subheadings listed in gray and then individual windows. When you call in for support, staff will often use these terms when talking to you. On the top of the home screen, you will see IconCMO announcements. These are announcements that we post to inform you of changes in the system. On the bottom, there is a birthday and anniversary list. You can decide if you would like the information displayed by the day, week, or month. We also have direct links to some of the most used windows in the system. On the top right, you'll find membership and contribution links. And on the bottom right, you'll find the fund accounting links. The orange button on the right is a training link. You can select a specific or general training for 15-minute, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. On the bottom corner, you'll see an Order Checks button. Icon System partners with dynamic systems for checks that are compatible with CMO. The information window is general information about your organization. This information will be used on reports that are printed. You can upload a logo for reports at the bottom right. The registration window is information we have on file for the church. To update this information, please call or email our staff. Under the Preference subheading, the first one you find is Personal. When setting up additional users, read-write access is automatically granted to this screen as well as the home screen. We recommend leaving these permissions read-write. The Personal window is where users update personal information. Under the System-wide Preferences, the first one is the fiscal year to work with. Users will need to change this annually. You can select the date format you prefer, and there is a View Accounting. When this is set to No, the General Ledger, Banking, AR, AP, and Payroll modules will be hidden on the left. Membership and Contribution Preferences is where you can set your default status. It is important to remember that if you change this to something other than Everyone, it might be more difficult to locate members unless you know their specific status. Churches often call saying they've entered a family but can't find them in the system, and it's because their default is set to something other than Everyone. The accounting preference allows you to select a default fund to use. Personal Security controls the member's personal login information. You can change your password or the email address associated with your username. At the bottom right, you can decide if you would like member records to automatically be created when entering a new household. On the top banner, you'll find our menu and logo. If you click on this, the menu bar on the left will be hidden. Click it again and the menu will return. On the top right, you will find a Video tab, Getting Started, Help, and the Log Off button. Our videos are separated into categories: Membership and Groups, Contributions, Accounting, and Miscellaneous. Click on the category and search for a video. Videos can also be found by clicking on the Help button on the individual windows. Here is the same video on creating groups. Under Getting Started, the first thing you'll find is our browser settings document. This document will walk you through the steps needed so reports display correctly. Simply locate the browser you are using, scroll down to the correct page, and follow the directions. We also have Getting Started guides for the individual modules. Under the Help menu, you'll find the Browser Settings Guide, along with the PDF guide and our Contributions Year-End Instructions. You'll also find a link to our support form. This is a great place to answer questions when our support staff are not available. We also have the manual for the entire system, which can be printed, along with links to our email and our support phone number listed. The last button at the top is to log off the system. Thanks for watching.